Okay, we will start with the numerical problem number 2. So a steel rod of 25 millimeter in diameter and 2 meter long is subjected to an axial pull of 45 kilonewton. Find first one, intensity of stress. So intensity of stress second, the strain, and third, elongation. Take the value of modulus of elasticity E is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per millimeter square. Now first we will write what is the given content of this problem. So given data, first one is diameter, second is the length 2 meter, which is equals to 2000 millimeter, third one is load P, which is 45 kilonewton, which is equals to 45 into 10 to the power 3 Newton, and fourth one is the value of E, which is 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per millimeter square. And what they have asked us to calculate is the value of stress, the strain, and the change in length. Now first we will calculate the area. So area is equal to pi by 4 into 25 square. So the area that we get from this is 490.9 millimeter square. And now we will try to calculate the values of other parameters. So first one is stress is equal to load divided by area, P divided by A. So is equals to P is 45 into 10 to the power 3, area is 490.90 is equal to, if you calculate this you will get this as 91.67 Newton per millimeter square. Then the value of strain is equal to dl upon L, that is change in length upon original length. Now change in length is not known to us, so we have to find the other way of calculating this. So this cannot be calculated with this particular equation. Now there is one more equation which relates stress is equals to modulus of elasticity into strain. So from this I can write stress divided by modulus of elasticity is equals to strain. So from this I can write strain is equals to stress is 91.67 divided by the value of E, which is 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per millimeter square. So from this you will get the value of strain as 0.0004583. This is the value of strain. Now we can find out the value of change in length using this particular equation. So change in length dl is equals to strain into original length. So now we have calculated the value of strain, which is 0.000458 multiplied by the length, which is 2000 millimeter. So from this you get the value of change in length is equals to 0.9166 millimeter. So you got the value of sigma as 91.67 Newton per millimeter square. You got the value of strain as 0.000458 and you got the value of change in length as 0.9166 millimeter. So next problem we will continue in the next part.